Okay, a swing high is the last high before we go low. So this here is the last high we made before we made this move down. This here would not be considered a swing high because this is not what caused the move. This is a move within the move. So this here would be our swing high, and our swing low is the last low before we go up. Okay, so let me find a good example of that. Okay, here. This one here would be considered our swing low. This is the last low we made before we made a big move up. Boom. So until we break through here and we're trading above this, we can be considered bullish. As long as we don't get a candle that closes below this. When we get a candle that closes below this, that's going to be a breaker structure. If you don't know what a breaker structure is, go watch the other video. So this here is our swing low, okay? And then I want you to look on here and I want you to guess where the swing high would be, okay? If you said this one, you're correct. This is the last high we made before we go low, okay? So this is a swing low, this is a swing high, okay? Simple enough? Okay, cool. Now, if you still have questions, join the Discord. It's free. The link's below.